Hey, how are you doing? I'm Mike Sibley, a GDI affiliate, and I want to talk to you about how to get off to a fast start with GDI. One of the best ways to get off to a fast start with GDI is to use one of their many professionally designed replicated websites. Let me explain. In order to maintain a membership with GDI, you must have an active domain name. You are free to do whatever you want with it. You can build your own website, redirect that domain name to another website, or simply leave it parked with GDI until you can decide what you want to do with it. However, and for the sake of making money with GDI, I suggest you forward your chosen domain name to one of their many replicated websites. These sites are beautifully designed websites with hard-hitting ad copy that helps you convert visitors into customers. Once you sign up with GDI, you will be given access to the back office where you will be able to forward your chosen domain name to one of their many beautifully designed websites. Don't worry, it's a very easy process. In fact, you can go to GDI video tutorials to learn how to do this. You'll click on GDI video tutorials, then select GDI basics. You will then see how to forward your domain name to GDI's replicated websites. Having a professionally designed GDI website connected to your domain name makes it so much easier to promote your business. You can use it on business cards, posters, online ads, and etc. It looks way more professional and neat than using the GDI affiliate link. So I just wanted to share that little tip with you to help you get off to a very fast start when you sign up with GDI. If you haven't done so already, visit the link in the description to this video to take advantage of the 7-day free trial. You have nothing to lose and a whole lot to gain. So if this video has been helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, take care.